Here's some Babbage's Analytical Engine trivia. Subscribe. What type of machine was the analytical engine? Is it A, digital watch, B, general-purpose computer, C, typewriter, or D, analog computer? The correct answer is B, general-purpose computer. Which famous mathematician worked on the analytical engine? Is it A, Euclid, B, John von Neumann, C, Ada Lovelace, or D, Isaac Newton? The correct answer is C, Ada Lovelace. What mathematical function did the analytical engine perform? Is it A, subtraction, B, multiplication, C, addition, or D, division? The correct answer is C, addition. What was the primary input method for the device? Is it A, floppy disks, B, punched cards, C, magnetic tapes, or D, touchscreen? The correct answer is B, punched cards. Which institution did Babbage belong to? Is it A, House of Commons, B, Royal Society, C, Royal Academy, or D, British Museum? The correct answer is B, Royal Society. In what year did Babbage first propose the engine? Is it A, 1860, B, 1825, C, 1837, or D, 1845? The correct answer is C, 1837. What size was the intended scale of the engine? Is it A, tiny, B, giant, C, room-sized, or D, stadium-sized? The correct answer is C, room-sized. In which publication did Babbage describe the engine? Is it A, Scientific Memoirs, B, Philosophical Transactions, C, Nature, or D, The Engineer? The correct answer is A, Scientific Memoirs. How did Babbage's design influence future computing? Is it A, developed quantum theory, B, foundation for modern computers, C, inspired video games, or D, increased steam power? The correct answer is B, foundation for modern computers. What year saw the construction of a prototype? Is it A, 1989, B, 1993, C, 1991, or D, 1997? The correct answer is C, 1991. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.